Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or welcome to your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Tiffany. For those who don't know me, I upload travel, style, and beauty videos here on YouTube, and today I am back with another unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the Monos Metro Duffel Bag. I did a Monos unboxing a few months ago, but that was for the luggage, so if you're interested in checking out their suitcases, definitely check out this video right here. I will also leave it linked in the description box down below for you guys. But yeah, so Metro does do a few other bags other than suitcases. They do a duffel, a backpack, and they recently launched a weekender bag, but today we're just going to be talking about the Metro bag, or Metro Duffel Bag. So let me go ahead and grab a pair of scissors, open this baby up, and we'll start the unboxing. Alright, so this is the duffel bag. I got mine in the black nylon. It comes in, I believe, 4 nylon colorways and 3 vegan leather colorways. I was debating between this one and the cream vegan leather, and I just felt like for ease of use, longevity, keeping it clean, keeping it looking nice, that the black nylon was like the better bet. But yeah, they do come in multiple colors. So this is the duffel bag. So back here we have a little Monos logo. And then on front here, we have the Monos Metro, I believe it's called the dot kit. So this piece does come off, which I can show you really quickly. So you just pull this little tab down here, which is, like, unlocks it from the mechanism. This is brand new, so we gotta take that out. But it just then slides out of this little band here that you saw. But what's nice about this whole, like, two-piece mechanism now is that before they introduced this kind of like little slip pull here, when you would take this off, like both items kind of looked not as aesthetically pleasing because you had like the lock mechanisms like showing. So they redesigned it to where you can carry, like you can take this off and the duffel bag still looks good. You can also carry this around by itself and it still looks good, you know? So let's take a quick peek at what's in here. There's nothing in here, but just to show you what it looks like. I have what looks to be like a luggage cover or something. I'm not really sure what this is for. Maybe a laundry bag or something, but their laundry bags are cloth, so I'm not really sure what this is, but neither here nor there. Here is what the inside of that looks like. As you can see, you have a few little slots. You have like a little key ring here, your keys here, and then some different little like pockets and slips for you to put different items in. And then you also have a zippered pocket here. So that is what the inside of that guy looks like. Some people use this as like a toiletry bag, so they'll just put all their like little bottles and stuff in here. I will probably use it kind of as like a little travel purse almost, like just slip it off my duffel bag and then I can just carry this around the airport with me, and put like my phone and my wallet, like my AirPods, all that kind of stuff like in this little guy, so that way I can kind of just like take this and go. Now on to the main bag. This is where that little kit just came off, and then right here you also have a little like kind of like snap pocket. Oh, there's a whole thing, the Metro collection. So our Metro collection of backpacks and duffels is designed for everyday life on the move. With our unique quick snap modular kit system, the interchangeable pouch snaps the interchangeable pouch snaps on and off with ease, adapting to how you move through your day and ensuring you always have your essentials close at hand. So journey on wherever the day takes you. So that's just a cute little info card that was in here. But yeah, as I was saying before that, there is a little pocket, like little, you know, pocket here that you can slip some stuff in. I do believe this is actually the pass-through. So there's a zipper in the bottom of this little slip here that allows you to open this up. So if you close it, it can be like a pocket, but if you open it, it is the pass-through for your suitcase. So if you want to slide this onto the handles of your suitcase, you would just do so through here. So that's what's on this side. On this side, you do have a zippered pocket right there, so you have a nice sizable zipper pocket. You can definitely just like slide your phone in there, and a few other things. It's pretty big in that space. And in this main compartment, you do have your carrying strap, so you can carry it like so, but it also does have a long like crossbody strap that you can attach on these rings on the side here. Oh my god, help me. I'm rusty, guys. It's been a while since I did fill you, so I'm really rusty, sorry. So on the side here, you have these nice little rings that you can clip this carrying strap with. Here is the inside of the bag, as you guys can see. Right over here, you have the laptop compartment. So it's just a little Velcro fastener there and a whole spot for your laptop or tablet. And then on each side of the bag, you have this little cup holder. Not cup holder. It's for a water bottle. Somewhere to put your water bottle. It does have a little snap enclosure there if you want to secure something in the pocket versus just having it open for like a water bottle or something. And like I said, it's on both sides of the bag, just right there. And then on the flip side of the laptop sleeve, you do get a zippered pouch. So as you can see right there, there's a zipper for a more smaller pouch. So if you want to secure something small in this bag, that is where that could go in that nice little compartment there. Maybe like if you're not putting your passport on the front pocket, you might slip it into this pocket here. But yeah, so that is the overall interior of the bag. Alright guys, so I went ahead and pulled up the Monos website just to check and see if there's any other details that I should include in this unboxing. So the nylon material that this bag is made out of is scratch resistant, as well as the vegan leather accents. So the handles have a little vegan leather here, and then the kit on the front is also a vegan leather material. I did read for the interior of this bag, you can secure a power bank, you can also keep your passport, all that jazz. It's meant to be kind of like all of your essentials in this bag, and then that way you can just like kind of release them and then walk around with just like this small little bag. You don't have to carry the entire duffel around with you. I find that helpful when you're at the airport with like friends and stuff and you have somebody to watch your bags and you just want to take like your wallet, your keys, your phone, that kind of jazz. So I think that's going to be really handy at the airport. Our compartments on the inside here, they are a magnetic closure. Those two little pouches that are on each side, they are magnetic closures. You can use for water bottles, and also a compact umbrella is what Mono suggests. And then the laptop compartment is for a 15-inch laptop. I believe that is what they also said for the Carry-On Pro that I have. I believe my laptop is a little bit bigger than 15 inches. I think it's technically a 16-inch MacBook. And it fit in that pocket, so I feel like there's no problem with my laptop fitting in this pocket, honestly, actually. So yeah, I think if you have the 2020 MacBook Pro, the 16-inch, your bag, it's still gonna fit in that compartment. And lastly, you can swap out this kit here for what is called their Folio kit, and that is more of a kind of like tech kit. So you can like slide your tablet in there. There's like places for like cords and cables, like a notebook, that kind of thing. So I do believe it's like bigger than this pouch here. But yeah, I will pop it on the screen for you guys to take a look at really quickly. Alright guys, so that is it for my Monos Metro Duffel Bag unboxing. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, if you have any questions about this bag or any of my Monos luggage, please just leave me a comment down below and I will answer it to my best ability. Also, if you're interested in seeing me pack this guy for the first time, I'm actually headed to Spain and Portugal soon, so I will be taking this this baby for its first trip. So if you're interested in checking out how I pack this, subscribe so that way you see my pack with me video that will be going up, I believe, after this video actually. So yeah, I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.